How to skip the headers when processing a CSV file using Python. I am using below referred code to edit a CSV using Python. Functions called in the code form upper part of the code. Problem: I want the below referred code to start editing the CSV from second row. I want it to exclude first row which contains headers. Right now it is applying the functions on first row only and my header row is getting changed. I tried to solve this problem by initializing row variable to 1, but it didn't work. Please help me in solving this issue.
Doing row equals 1 won't change anything, because you'll just overwrite that with the results of the loop. You want to do next, reader, to skip one row.
Your reader variable is an iterable. By looping over it you retrieve the rows. To make it skip one item before your loop, simply call next, reader, none, and ignore the return value. You can also simplify your code a little and use the opened files as context managers to have them closed automatically. If you wanted to write the header to the output file unprocessed, that's easy too. Pass the output of next to writer.writeRow.
Another way of solving this is to use the dictWriter class, which skips the header row and uses it to allow named indexing. Given foo.csv as follows. Use dictWriter like this. Inspired by Martijn Peters' response. In case you only need to delete the header from the CSV file, you can work more efficiently if you write using the standard Python file i/o library, avoiding writing with the CSV Python library.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.